Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Today I'm announcing Weaviate version 1.2. As you might remember from Weaviate version 1, Weaviate became completely modular. So with the Weaviate vector search engine at the center, you had these modules around it, like for example the Weaviate contextionary, which was based on GloVe and fast text to vectorize your data and search for your data. But now we're also releasing the transformers module in Weaviate. So you can use any of your favorite transformer modules to vectorize and search through your Weaviate. So let's quickly look at how that works. As always, we're going to start from the perspective of the documentation. So we go to installation and we select customize your Weaviate setup. We choose the latest version. As a media type, we choose text. And as a vectorizer, we find the text-to-vec transformers. We search for the transformer model that we want to use within Weaviate to vectorize our content. We don't need to use the usage collector. And as a runtime, we're going to select Docker Compose. The curl command shown underneath the configurator contains the right Docker file based on your selections. We've spun up a Weaviate based on the configuration you've seen before, and we loaded it with Wikipedia paragraphs. So if you look at the aggregate function, we can see that this Weaviate contains almost 1 million paragraphs. Based on the schema of this Weaviate, we can search for title and content inside of the paragraphs. So let's search for something like herbs used in the French kitchen. And let's return the first 3 results. So as you can see, the first 3 results are about the French cuisine, and especially the first one contains the right answer. So let's see if we can narrow this down by showing the certainty. So as you can see, Weaviate is 88% certain about the first result, but less than 85% the second one. So let's improve the query by setting a minimum certainty. And as you now can see, Weaviate only returns the first result. We can also execute a more Q&A style query. So for example, which record label contracted Sinatra in the 1940s? As you can see, the first 2 results contain the answer, both Colombia and the paragraph about Sinatra's recording history. Now let's tweak Weaviate for a situation where we're going to assume that the first result contains the answer. Let's pose a new question. Who was awarded an honorary doctorate from Berkeley in 1991? Here the right answer is Phil Collins. We can also tweak Weaviate to deal with more generic or ambiguous questions. So for example, who was awarded an honorary doctorate? Now we set the certainty to 80%, and as you can see, all the results returned contain people who have received an honorary doctorate. And let's not forget, Weaviate has a GraphQL interface, so we can also just show the results we need. And then of course there's the performance. I'm based in Amsterdam in the Netherlands, and for this demo we spun up a Weaviate in the center of the US. It takes about 100 milliseconds to travel to the US, about 35 milliseconds to process the request, and 100 milliseconds to return the answer. Thanks for watching. I hope you're going to create something really cool with Weaviate. If you do, make sure to let us know, and maybe I'll see you at one of the online events or one of our meetups. Or make sure to ask us a question on GitHub. And if you like Weaviate, make sure to give us a star. See you. Bye.